Hello and welcome to Mars and Libra. So this actually is probably debatably the most negative placement for Mars because Mars rules Aries, which is the opposite sign of Libra. So Mars in Libra is in its fall. Yeah, I think fall, not detriment. But either way, fall and detriment are negative placements. And the reason is, there's always positive and always negative about these placements. This person will be very thoughtful of their actions and they will deliberate before actually going into anything. They may be less impulsive, Mars and Libra, but Mars and Libra will definitely be more indecisive. It will definitely be more argumentative, more procrastinating, kind of argumentative and resentful. So all the Libra negative qualities, Libra Sun, will be more present in Mars and Libra. So Mars and the Sun actually are very positive, vibrant planets. So whatever sign they're in represent your vibrancy and your activity and your energy. And the fact is that Libra is not any of these things. Libra is not very self-oriented. Libra is also not very action-oriented. Mars and the Sun are very self-action, will-driven. And they're all kind of more focused on one and the ego. Libra is a Venus planet. Libra and Venus are not focused on being by themselves. They're not focused on getting stuff done quickly. They're not focused on going to extremes and sweating and ugliness. It's just too ugly for a Libra. So here, Libra, it is just, Mars is just not very excitable. It's not very happy. A Mars in Libra, I can see someone that represses their feelings. Regardless of where Libra is in your chart or what Mars rules over, what house, this person will be too focused on compromise, too focused on overthinking everything, too focused on being charming, that it's almost aggressively charming. So everyone has a charming aspect of themselves and everyone has a will aspect. So there's the charming and will aspect, and in this sense it's kind of at the same time. So Mars and Libra will use these energies at the same time. So people will be confused because a Mars and Libra will be forcefully unforceful. So they might actually stand up for someone in a way to keep the peace, but will be argumentative. So this person will be argumentatively trying to keep peace. So it's kind of a bit strange. They're definitely unemotional and objective at seeing things. When they get things done, they want to make sure everyone's opinion is seen in the most objective, unemotional way. They don't like anything ugly, and they will stay away from all that kind of behavior. So if any ugliness shows up, they'll get angry at it, and then they'll hate them. They'll get angry at another person, and then get angry at themselves for getting angry in the first place. They're pretty subtle. It's hard for someone to pick up on whether or not this person is flirting with you or wants you to be sexual. They kind of expect the other person to initiate. So that they might always never get where they want to go because they're expecting someone else to do it. It's kind of self-righteous in this way. They're very attractive, very beautiful, and their beauty will bring their sex lives to the forefront. But they tend to expect other people to read their minds. They want to be fed attention rather than to give it, even though it's strange because they're all about fairness, but ultimately this sign isn't very fair. They actually are pretty picky, and they may be pickier than any other sign. Okay, thank you for watching.